We accept that the right to life provided for in Article 21 of the Constitution must be given an expansive meaning. Stop. The right to life be acknowledged encompasses several rights, but for the time being, we are concerned with three important constitutional rights, each one of them being basic and fundamental. These rights articulated by the petitioner are the right to live with dignity, the right to shelter, and the right to health. The state is obligated to ensure that these fundamental rights are not only protected but are enforced and made available to all citizens. Stop. Looked in that perspective, the displacement of the inmates of an old age home on whims and fancies of government functionaries and others is not only undesirable but would have a deleterious impact on the already seriously impaired fundamental right to live with dignity of the hapless citizens who are forced purely by turn of circumstances and vagaries of life to reside at such homes for reasons not of their making. Stop. It may not be forgotten to be housed and to be taken care of at an old age home upon being abandoned are not cared enough itself involves a dent to human dignity to lesser or larger extent depending on the individual circumstances visiting each inmate immediately preceding his admission to such facility. Stop para. However, with passage of time, some wounds may heal. Stop. Hurt and injury to one's dignity may be soothed by the balm of love, affection, and care received and time lived in a conducive environment. Stop. Such inmates, oblique persons, may develop desired or necessary levels of comfort, companionship, friendship, social interdependencies, besides enjoying some comfort within the safe physical environment of an old age home where they may be housed. Stop. To forcibly move out such inmates for trivial, non permissible grounds noted in routine inspection notes may be to allow for another violation of or injury to arise to their fundamental right to live with dignity, though unintentionally. Stop. Also, it would defeat the very object that the Act, rules, and the scheme seek to serve. Stop para. The inmates of an old age home are not hostages of time. Stop. They are living human beings whose life and dignity the welfare state promises to protect. Stop. We cannot fathom a situation where life and dignity of a human being may be claimed to have been protected in his opinion as to his choice of residence is completely ignored or not heard. Stop. One who may have been abandoned or left alone cannot be shifted from one facility to another with his choice counting for nothing. Stop. We do not see how his fundamental right to dignity may be claimed to have been protected unless his views are ascertained and considered. Stop. In the other situation, though a free citizen, he would have been treated and dealt with as not. Stop para. It is not only the life but the dignity of human existence that the Act and the rules clearly seek to preserve. Stop. The inmates being the persons whose fundamental right to live with dignity and to shelter is likely to be affected upon an action that may be proposed by the district magistrate. A minimum opportunity of being heard is necessary wherever such proposed action